Anyway. Oh, what was that? Why was I saying anyway? Anyway, welcome back. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm doing a very nice video of meeting my pets in MoleCraft and also giving you a mini house tour. So let's start with the house tour. So this is my downstairs. I've got several furnaces because if I ever need if I ever need to like do something that's like you get what I mean. If like I have several stacks of iron from a mining trip and I can't put them all. Okay, and here's Tux. He is on my chest right now, so I'm gonna try and push him off without being too mean. There you go, Tux. Seriously, sometimes I'm sorry I have to hit you, but it's worth it because you get to sit down now. Sit! Anyway, I got this random thing, which is full of things because clearly I can't put them in anywhere else. Also, some of this stuff shouldn't be in here. Some of this stuff should be in the other chest, which clearly I don't remember because I'm putting it in the wrong chest. Sometimes I don't know why I have just this random chest full of stuff. Anyway, let us begin with the tour again. Got my crafting table. This is probably the most used crafting table because it's downstairs in my house. And yeah. And then we got my food, which is basically a fridge because fridges are cool. Yeah. I'm gonna make this like the fruit and vegetable section over here, and this is the wheat because clearly I don't have enough wheat. And if I do, it will last me forever. Anyway. And by the way, I'll show you all my pets and stuff at the end because this is gonna be real quick. This is my chest full of things that I love to mine. I have loads of things that I mine because I go mining every single day, I swear. Because I have several caves near my house. I will one day do an episode, probably without microphone, because I probably would scream if I found diamonds or lapis or lava. If I fell in lava, I would probably scream because I hate lava. I don't like it. Also, I need to put this on my head, so we do / hat. Hat. I don't know why I said hat. Now I have a pet on my head. Okay, anyway. Yeah, and in here I just have lapis. I've got redstone, loads of redstone, so I got gold, I got iron, I got diamonds, I got emeralds, I got coal. I got pretty much everything that I need. And then I've got my thingies for keeping my garden pretty. I don't really have a garden. I don't actually have a garden. But I will have a garden eventually, you guys. I promise. And this is like my building blocks thing. Why is my iron sword in there? Why is this in there? Why is that in there? And why are these? This could go on for ages. I've got loads of stuff on me. I don't know why. Oh, and I have more stone because I found a thingy and there was like a golden apple in here. And I have that and I'm never using it because I don't want to. Then I've got like this stuff here. I almost have a stack of one flesh, that's impressive. So we're gonna have to be quick with this because I need to get out there before it turns to dark and before I get blown up by a creeper and scream. Here we got diamond stuff. I'm so used to just using iron stuff. It's not really, it's kind of an upgrade. A big upgrade. I should view this chest already. Okay, we shall go up to my bedroom and my enchantment room. If you're wondering, I have an enchantment table and I really want to make to get this. No. I need to get Silk Touch, because if I get Silk Touch, I just want Silk Touch. And here's my room. And also my dog Lady is up here, so I love Lady. She's sitting on my desk right now because she can. And this reminds me of my baby Buddy, and I love Buddy because he was like my first dog. And he almost died. I was about to try and sleep. I've got blue bed, by the way. And yeah, this room isn't completely done because I'm probably going to have like a couch here and like a TV here. Yeah, because my house clearly doesn't have one of those. This is like the kitchen. Okay, so here's Tux. This is Orange Juice. That ginger cat has no name, and this orange dog has no name. This is Apple. This is Cassie. This is Buddy. This is Wolf. Stella, Aurora, and I don't know what to call this one yet, so leave your suggestions down below. We've also got Momo, Lexi, Coco, Lucky, Jane, and also Bella, which is my other cat. And of course Lady is upstairs, we can't forget about my baby Lady. Anyway, I'm going to just show you around here. So I still have this oak tree, which I haven't got down yet, which is kind of weird. I don't know why it's still here. There's a spider over there. And if you hear squeaking, that's my guinea pigs. I don't know if it's going to pick. So we also have hatch sheeps that have dyed rainbow colours. Several rainbow colours. They're not all in one, so it kind of looks a bit weird. There's like 2 spiders over there. Anyway. Then technically, all the animals around here are basically my pets. I'm pretty sure... Guys, can you see that over there? We need to get in here quick, because there is a baby zombie over there. I swear. Okay, so here's Mr. Skelly. Here's Skeleton. I don't know. And we also got Skellybone. And then we've got Donkey. His name's just Donkey. And I need to get back in my house. And I've also got like a farm because I need a barn. I need a farm. And then I've got something else to show you guys. If we go to home, nice. Oh, here's Anyway, guys, this is my new little, well, it's not my new little house. It's this place that I'm going to start most of my videos at. So if you want to see this in a bit more detail, I might make it a bit bigger in the next episode. So we got Lime, but this doggy and this doggy need names, and this doggy needs a name. So if you can comment down below, what is it? Like, is it like 5 dogs and 1 cat name? That would be, I would really appreciate that. We still have time left in the video, actually, so we might want to go some exploring if you want, guys. I don't know what we would do exploring. We might actually head that way, because I don't think I've headed. I don't think I've went that way before, I'll just say that. My aim is to find a village that has not been raided, because I found you will be tamed one day. I tell that to every single wolf that I see, but then I think I just forget about them, which is very mean. But yeah, I'm thinking about making like a doghouse out of episode. Which would be fun personally, because if I do that, then I'm gonna be able to like I'm gonna be able to put some of my dogs in there, and they'll be able to have fun with the other doggies, which I think is probably the most important thing. But I'll keep a few in my house because I love my doggies, and I don't want to end up having to go out. Well, I know that's something really mean. I don't want to have to like go out unless I need to, because like I only go to basically my mine and my exploring, and I haven't been to what's it called? Mole Village. I haven't been there for ages. So we're going there right now. see what we can do. I know that there's a pull box up here, so I keep looking in it because sometimes you find really cool things in there, and sometimes you find gold. See what I mean? I just want 3 gold ingots, and it's like put whatever you don't need, and like take what you need. I don't need those feathers. I'll take one of these because I can replace it for one of my thingies. I don't need any of this. I'll take this baked potato because I kind of need food right now. And I'll take a raw salmon because I love dogs. I love my cats and they need to be fed. Food. Thank you to have, yeah, see what I mean about like going, I don't know, I don't really check it every single day. Or every single night or, you know, I don't check it all the time, but when I'm in Mole Village, I like to go and check it just because I'll put away something. Baked potatoes. I love baked potatoes because I love baked potatoes in real life. Baked potatoes in real life are beautiful and lovely, and they're so nice. Also, I've been collecting Pokecards lately, so I have a lot. What should I do? I should probably go back now. I mean, I'm probably gonna check this the box over there every so often, because if I do, then like, you know, gold. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to my house, and then this has been like, I can't spell. I really can't spell today. I don't know what's up with me. Anyway, there's my sheeps. They look all nice, rainbow coloured. I'll give this to Cassie because I know she's my favorite. So we'll put this in my chest full of things. So now I've got 16. So I'm actually going to put 3 of that back, because if I do that, I can go to Mole Village and get a name tag for either one of my dogs or one of my cats, or even one of my donkeys or my horsey thingies. I don't know if I would choose a dog, if I would choose Wolf next, because he's kind of been with me for a while now. Like, he came out with me because we were fighting mobs earlier. I wasn't recording that or anything. Yeah, but I think what I'm going to do I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to be making the dog house, and hopefully by next episode, which hopefully be posted tomorrow. It may not be posted tomorrow. I can't promise you anything, but let's cross our fingers that I can do that, because clearly I can post. I'm posting. I'm trying to post every day now, which I think is a big achievement for me, because clearly I never really post that very often anymore. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do some stuff out of episode, which means basically I'm gonna go off and do things on my own without recording it, and yeah, I'm gonna build the doghouse, gonna go mining, gonna get some more thingies, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye. Eva, out.